Good morning. Say good morning. Say hi. So I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's very rainy today, so I don't know if we can go outside or not. But yeah, we already had breakfast. Emlen's trying to keep busy because we can't go outside. Trying to get her wiggles out indoors, huh?
You want to go downstairs? Okay, let's go downstairs.
Someone was jealous of me and Emlen's hair, so he asked for it too. Now we're triplets!
We're matching!
But Emlen doesn't like it.
I think she's
She-
scared.
She's not used to it.
But she calls herself Dada and I'm Dada. So that means we are Dadas. We got some lunch. We got Jack's Urban Eats for Amy and Emmeline. Emmeline got some chicken strips and fries. What'd you get?
A salad.
Ooh, a
Just
salad.
having a lazy day today.
Yeah, it's raining pretty hard. I got Chipotle. Emmeline's taking her nap. Dinner time.
Emmelin's been a little obsessed with boiled eggs. Specifically the boiled kind because she chooses that over her fries right now. And before we tried scrambled eggs and all the other omelet eggs, she doesn't like it. She only likes this.
She loves egg. That's my girl.
Ready to be my workout tool. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Such a workout. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, time for bath, huh? Should we brush your teeth now? Let's take your turn.
Oh,
Clean up all your toys. Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, help? Please? Okay, we're gonna get ready for bath. And then we're gonna call it a night. It's gonna be a short one this time. Sorry, it was raining all day. We couldn't get out the door. Can you say bye-bye to our friends? Good job. Good night.
Good night.
Bye.